Hello children, today we are going to learn about means of travel. At end of this chapter, you can identify different types of vehicles. Children, do you know what is means of travel? Vehicles that help us to travel are called means of travel. Understood children? Then tell me what is travel? Travel means moving from one place to another. Have you understood children? Do you like to travel? Yes. Children, there are different means of travel. Some vehicles move in air. Some vehicles move on water. And some vehicles that move on land. Come children, let's read the vehicles that move in air. Aeroplane, helicopter, rocket, air balloon. These are the example of vehicles that move in air. The next one is water. See this example, ship, boat and submarine. These are the vehicles that move on water. Have you understood children? Yes, let's read about land. Bus, car, lorry and bicycle. These are the vehicles that move on land. Have you understood children? Children, in this class we are going to discuss about vehicles that move on land. Can you tell me what are the vehicles that move on land? Yes? Let's see. An auto rickshaw, bicycle, van, truck, motorcycle, jeep and auto. These are the vehicles that move on land. Have you understood children? Now we are going to discuss about traveling. Children, can you tell me how do you decide which vehicle we should take for traveling? Any guess? Yes, you got it. It depends on the distance to be travelled, the time taken to travel and the cost of travel. Have you understood children? It depends on what? The distance, the time and the cost. Children, let's see about slow moving vehicles and fast moving vehicles. Okay. First we are going to see about slow moving vehicles. An auto rickshaw and bicycle are slow moving vehicles. If the distance is short, you can use these kind of vehicles to travel. And also you can use bullock cart. Understood children? Then if you want to travel short to long, you can use fast moving vehicles. What are that? Yes, van, truck, motorcycle, jeep and auto, car, bus, anything you can use for travel short to long distance. Have you understood children? Children, now I will show you the picture of vehicles. You have to tell me where it will move. Can you do? Yes? Shall we start? Okay. Can you see this picture? What it is? Yes, auto rickshaw. Where it will move? Yes, it will move on land. So we had to keep here. Understood? The next picture is, see this, what is this? Helicopter. Where it will move? Yes, it will move in air. So we had to keep here. The next picture is, look at this. What is this? Ship. Where it will move? Yes, on water. So keep it here. Then the next picture is, look at this. What is this? An aeroplane. Where it will move? Yes, it will move in air. So keep it here. Then the next picture is, see this. What is this? Yes, jeep. Where it will move? Yes, on land. Then the next picture is, see this? What is this? Yes, van. Where it will move? On land. Then see this picture? What is this? Motorcycle. Where it will move? Yes, it will move on land. So keep it down. Yes, we'll keep here. Okay. Then look at this picture. What is this? Train. Where it will move? In air? No. Water? No. Then land? No. Where it will move? It will move on tracks. Do you know what is the meaning of tracks? Yes, tracks means two metal lines on which train moves. Have you understood? Children, let's recall. What is travel? Yes, travel means moving from one place to another. Understood? Then, what is means of travel? Yes, vehicles that help you to travel from one place to another. Have you understood? Then, what are the factors that help you to choose a vehicle for traveling? What are the factors? Yes, the time, the cost and the distance. Have you understood, children? Yes. Now you will be able to identify the vehicles that move on land. Hope you have understood the concept. See you in the next class. Thank you, children.